Hey, 200-300 piece going crazy.
Hey, what's up, you guys? It's your girl Katie, aka Action Jackson, back with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my very own passion twist, spring twist, whichever you want to call it, at home. And it is this style right here. I have it up in a bun. I'll take it down. But I have been wearing this hairstyle for like a good this is probably be like my 4th month. I redid them. I did them twice, so this is me redoing them. The first time I did them, they were more brown, and this time I put a lot more blonde in them. I really like honey blonde, the color 27, like a honey blonde. I think it's cute like on my skin tone. And they're so easy to do, you guys. I did these myself. It probably takes me about like 4 to 5 hours to do these. My parts are all right, spaced. My parts, honestly, like in the back, baby, that's a whole another story, because I really honestly don't care. I try to get them the same size, but like I'm not holding up a mirror to the back of my head and like seeing what they look like. No, they probably all type of crooked crisscross, but I don't care. I focus more on like the front and just getting the front parts neat. Before I show you guys how to actually do it, I'm gonna tell you, so while I'm twisting this, I'm just gonna tell y'all the hair specs and stuff. Okay, so the hair that you're going to want is going to be a curly type of hair. The brand really does not matter much, but the texture should be this type of curly hair. Like, I know it's kind of hard to see. I'll show you in a minute, but this type really curly hair. The first time I did these, I used a model brand that I really liked. It was the model water wave. But because everything shut down with all this coronavirus bull crap, everything shut down and that beauty supply store was closed. So I had to go to a different beauty supply store which did not have that hair. So this hair in my head is not the model water wave. This hair that I used this time was the I want to say it's Freetress. I don't have any like extra packages, but this is the type of this package, or this is like the top of what the package look like. And I think it's Freetress. It says Shake and Go, and it's like a blue pack. Your materials that you're going to need is obviously your hair. You're going to need some like gel. I use Shine and Jam. If you're a braider or you just see it in the beauty supply store, you know what it is. I use Shine and Jam. This is the Magic Fingers one. Sometimes I use the orange container too. You're going to need a crochet hook. I did mine the rubber band method, so you're going to need rubber bands as well, and then just a comb. I'm going to take one of these down and redo it just so you guys can see, but obviously my hair is already done. So I'm just going to take one down and redo it so you guys can see what it looks like. Okay, so you have your little section of hair, whatever section you're going to use, and then I take some of the Shine and Jam and I just go like around the perimeter. It'll just give it like a really clean look. So I just go all the way around the hair, the front, the back, whatever. And I take a rubber band and I'm just going to put it in a ponytail. I like to like stretch the rubber band down, kind of. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but I make the rubber band go downward instead of having it all bunch up at the base. Like, I don't know how to explain it, but like this is all rubber band right here instead of having it all right here. And then what I'll do with the rest of the hair is you can braid it if you want to. It makes it go faster taking it down if you just do 2 strands. And the reason I do a 2-strand or a braid with my real hair is because my texture I have is 4C. I leave these in for a while. I work out. I do a lot. And sometimes I really just don't wrap my hair up. So if I did not do this and I just left my hair just out, I didn't braid it or anything, I know that it would frizz up and then my hairstyle would just look older faster. I use 2 pieces. For this whole style in total, I think I bought 7 packs and that was like just enough. It depends on how big your parts are. If your parts are going to be small, like way smaller than mine, you're going to need a lot of hair. because I like to use 2 pieces of hair per twist just so it's like thicker. I don't like the thin look with these. But if you were going to use 2 new pieces of hair, you would have them like this. This is the 1B 27. So it's 1B at the top and then it's 27 at the ends. And you're going to take this hair. This is where you use your crochet needle, and you're going to put the needle into your like plait or whatever at the base with the hook open. The hook is open. This little metal part is not over it. It's open. You're going to hook your hair to it. Close the hook. It's closed. And then I hold my braid and pull it through. So now you have your braid and the hair. And what I do to camouflage my braid is I'll take my braid and I'll just like rough up the weave like right here, like kind of stretch it out so it gets more puffy. And I'll just wrap it like around your braid basically so you can't see the braid. Yeah, so my braid is right here. It's in this hair, but I just have them mixed together, and every time I twist I kind of feel and make sure that the weave is covering my braid so it's not like sticking out. And then you just twist. Like, it's easy. It's just like if you did 2-strand twists, like if you have natural hair and you've ever did 2-strand twists on your own head, it's exactly like that. So you're going to twist, and once you do like every so often, like a certain amount, I do this and you like pull the 2 ends apart, and that's what's going to give it the springy effect. Once you let the hair go, you'll see what I mean in a minute. And the key to twisting, I feel like you have to pay attention. You can't just hold it and then just twist like this. You're twisting both pieces of hair away from you as you twist. So like I go like this, twist, you're twisting here, and then you're twisting them together as well. So you're doing like, it's like a separate motion, but the faster you go and the more you get it, like you just keep going and going and going. You're just going to keep twisting, pull it a little bit, then keep twisting. Then when I get to the end, so I have, this is 1 piece of hair, this is another piece, but remember we use 2 pieces, so this is the ends of 2 pieces in 1. And I just like start trading the hair back and forth because obviously this one's longer than this one. It's going to run out of hair, so I just start trading the hair like back and forth. Because I have 3 pieces, a lot of the time towards the end, I do a little bit of a braid. I do like a braid a little. And then I'll combine the 2 pieces again and then twist some more. So now that this piece is way shorter than this one, then I take this piece and like split it in half. Like it's just borrowing hair, and just so you can get all the way to the end. And then once I get to the end, I just hold it and then I like finger coil the ends, and it'll be like a little curl. So now that I've showed you guys how to do the hairstyle, I'm going to show y'all 10 super cute and easy hairstyles that you could do with these. So let's go. you enjoyed. Let me know if you want to see anything else like more specific about the hair. If you have any questions, comment down below. I will definitely answer them. This is just, like I said, a super cute, like free flowy hairstyle. Like, I love protective styles. You can just wake up and just go, but make sure you do them edges, baby. Okay, do them edges. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit that like button. If you have any questions, comment down below. Let me know what you guys want to see, and I will see you guys in my next video.